Hi guys, welcome to Veurink's RV Center. We've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker and today I'm gonna give you a walkthrough video of the brand new Holiday Rambler Vacationer 33C. This is a Class A gas coach with a lot of great features inside and out. Let's take a look at the inside. This Vacationer 33C from Holiday Rambler is a brand new layout for them, and they've made a ton of great changes this year to the new products. This is gonna be a 2-slide coach. It's gonna be a single bath with a rear bedroom and a lot of storage. Let's take a look at the back. So back here in the master bedroom, there's a lot of things to like. First off being that you have a king size bed back here with some nightstands on each side with outlets and USB ports. And then you have 2 windows for some nice cross piece ventilation because those will open up. Some great storage up top there and his or her reading lights. We're gonna have a great big size window back here for a lot of natural light. This one will not open, but at least you get that natural light, which is really nice. Across from the bed here, down below, we're gonna have our combo washer dryer unit here. It is a Splendide. So it's nice you already have that with this coach. And then we'll have some storage up top here as well with adjustable shelves. One thing I can tell that Holiday Rambler really improved on was their woodwork. It's absolutely beautiful wood, thick and heavy duty too. Here we're gonna have our bedroom TV with some storage back behind there. And this is actually where you're gonna find your power control system as well and your power monitor. So it's kind of hidden back here as opposed to up on your dash, which is kind of nice. So we're gonna have a nice nightstand here with USB ports and outlets too. We're gonna have another nice window here. This one will open so you can get some ventilation in here too. And then we're gonna have 6 drawers down below here. They can be a really nice size for you too. And then here we're gonna have our wardrobe. This is actually cedar lined here too, if you can see that. But a lot of nice space in here and some extra goodies here. We're gonna have like a silverware drawer around the kitchen. We're gonna have a wastebasket already there for you too, a couple cutting boards, and some of our owner manuals and whatnot too. But this is a part that'll go all the way across. And I'll actually come over here to this one too, and we'll have extra storage down here with a couple drawers. And then we're gonna have our breaker panel and everything down there. So very easily accessible and everything there as well. So here in the bathroom area, we're gonna find a lot of nice space and a lot of storage. I think Holiday Rambler did a really good job with this one of the 33C and the storage in here. We're gonna have your sink right here with some countertop space beside it so you can set all your things. You're gonna have an outlet here as well for anything you wanna plug in. We're gonna have our shower here, really nice size, fiberglass surround with a skylight above, so if you're a taller person, you do have some room there, some headroom. We're gonna have some storage here. Nice linen closet with adjustable shelves and kind of plan out where you want to put things. And then we're gonna have 4 drawers here, all very nice size and full extension drawers. So that's really nice too. That's what I think they did a really good job with. And then back here, we're gonna have a nice little medicine spot here. And then we're gonna have another storage spot over here. Everything having adjustable shelves. They're really giving you the option of kind of how you wanna put things in there, where you wanna put them and whatnot too. And we're gonna have our porcelain toilet here as well. Very nice room in here and kind of tucked in the corner there. So here in the living room area, I absolutely love the way that Holiday Rambler laid this out. It does a really good job of kind of mixing everything up and kind of separating everything from your kitchen to your living room. A lot of great seating here with a ton of storage and a lot of windows all the way around so you can get some nice natural light, some nice ventilation if you want to open them up and get a breeze in here. But very easy viewing of the TV and everything here too, with a beautiful electric fireplace down here. Your TV is gonna have a nice LED light back here illuminating that, and they're gonna have some storage above here too with some pretty good depth. So if you want to put movies, books, whatever you like to put in there. Your TV is gonna have a sound bar below here. If you want to connect to that, you can play music through your phone on that and whatnot as well. And a nice little spot here if you want to set some other things. Very nice design that they kind of put around the fireplace there, really giving you that at-home feel is what they're trying to do there. But your seating here, we're gonna have our L-shaped sofa with an extendable seat here. This does not have to be out. You can push this in. So when you're traveling down the road, it gives you a little more space, or if you just want a little more space in general. But above that, we're gonna have storage all the way throughout the entire slide out. Every single one of these cabinets opens. They have hinges on them and they open all the way too. I think that's a big key. So you're not hanging down like halfway, kind of like this. They open up all the way, so it's very easy for you to access everything. They set a little bit lower too, so it's easier to reach things too. As we make our way towards the front of the coach, we're gonna walk into our kitchen area. Here you have your absolutely huge residential fridge. That will be a Samsung for you too, so a nice name brand. And we're gonna have an ice maker down here too with a couple different freezer trays there. Absolutely huge, really nice fridge. So we're gonna have our kitchen set up. We're gonna have up top here some storage for whatever you like to put out there. And then we're gonna have our convection microwave here as well. Have some storage here. One thing I've noticed in a lot of these new cabinets from Holiday Rambler is they're all adjustable shelves. They're really giving you the option of how you want to lay things out and where you want to put things. I think that's a really nice thing that they're doing. Here we're gonna have a nice kitchen window that will open so you can get some breeze in there, or if you keep an eye on the grandkids, or if you got some people sitting out there and you're in here getting something together, you can kind of keep an eye on them and communicate. Really nice countertop space. These are solid surface countertops, absolutely beautiful. We're gonna have our sink covers, which are solid surface as well and very, very heavy duty. Our stainless steel sink with 2 bowls. And then we're gonna have the high-rise faucet with a pull-out here as well, so it's easy for cleaning up all those dishes afterwards. Some more countertop space here, and then we're gonna have our 2-burner cooktop with solid surface covers there as well. You can just put these under the sink, you can put them under the dinette, wherever you'd like to put them. We're gonna have a beautiful backsplash here, which is actually real tile too. Very nice touch from Holiday Rambler there. In this particular floor plan, we did not order it with the oven because we have the convection microwave. So what it does, it gives you more drawers, which drawers are hard to find nowadays in most RVs, and we have more drawers here too. All these being full extension. Very nice, very easy to use. We have a nice little flip down here, so if you want to put sponges and cleaning supplies, you can do that. And then under here, just more storage here as well. You have a trash can that will come with it. Some people like to put it there, some people like to put it here. That's completely up to you. But a lot of nice storage throughout the entire kitchen. As we move our way over here onto our driver's side, we're gonna have even more. You can use this as your pantry. You have 3 pull-out drawers here that are full extension. Very, very nice touch there. And then we're gonna have one down here with an adjustable shelf, so you can kind of plan out what you want to do with that as well. And then we're gonna have our dinette setup. This dinette setup is one of the best in the industry, I feel, for a couple different reasons. It's very easy to use. If you notice your space between your cushion and your table, it's a lot of room there, so you don't have to feel like you're squeezed in sitting next to people. If you are sitting with 4 people, you're gonna have storage drawers under here too, on both sides. And then this will also go down to a bed if you need it to as well. You're just gonna use these little latches here, and the cushion's actually gonna come down, and then this table is just gonna push down for you, and you'll be all set, and you can use it as a bed if you need to as well. So here towards the front of the coach, I wanna show you the dash setup, but in just a minute. I wanna show you the drop-down bed system that the Vacationer offers. If you're somebody who needs extra sleeping space, or you're bringing the grandkids or the family along with you, this would be a great option for you. It's very easy to use. It's one of the best systems out there. It's a quick system too. I mean, it zooms right down for you. Very reliable. It's a 500-pound weight limit, and also it's already have a mattress with it. It's actually really comfortable too. And you have a ladder here. It's very easy to use as well. It's just gonna connect right on here for you. It's gonna come on down. One thing I wanna show you is you have 2 shelves on the side there, and then you have your TV set up there as well. But one really neat thing, I'm actually gonna climb up here, is that this actually slides over for you, and so does the other side too. So you have some really nice storage there too. So this one and that one will both slide over there for you. Very easy to get up, very easy to get down from. But that is the Euro-Lift system that they call Euro-Loft. I'm sorry, Euro-Loft. But very easy to use, very sturdy, very well built too. Very easy to use, and really convenient. So if you don't want to put down the couch and the dinette and all that, you don't have to. It's not as quick going up as it is coming down, but like I said, it's a very reliable system compared to a lot of other models out there. They put a nice little wood kind of trim on here, wood finish, with a couple LED lights there. But I want to talk about the dash setup here. This is one thing that I think Holiday Rambler has done a phenomenal job with. One thing in particular is going to be their driver and passenger seats. They've gone back to flex steel furniture. Flex steel furniture being the premier furniture in the RV industry, and it's very comfortable. You got no problem sitting here for those long drives. You're just going to want to keep on going and not stop. But their dash setup is one of the best in my opinion. They put a nice little finish here, and kind of wood finish. They put a USB port here now too, so if you need to charge your phone when going down the road or whatever else, whether it be a tablet, whatnot. Very easy to reach. Cup holders here. You do have another cup holder to your left, but no more carpet up here at all. They took all that out. Very nice, very easy to use. And then your setup here is going to be two cameras, or two different screens. This screen being more for your radio, and let's see here. You're going to have Pandora. You're going to have a lot of nice features on here, but you can use it for your Bluetooth audio. You can also use it for your camera views if you need to as well, though. So you can use it for your backup camera. This one here is going to be your main camera setup. That's going to have side view and backup camera for you. So when you hit your left blinker, it'll show up on the left side, and vice versa. When you hit your right, it'll show up there too. And as soon as you click it, it'll take it a couple seconds, and it'll kick it right back to your backup camera for you. So it's very easy to use. All the buttons are easy to reach. You do have your leveling system here too. You'll have a 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling system. You can control that all right here. And for your shade and your blind, you can control all that as well. You do have both. So if you want to put just the shade down if you're going down the road. Now when the engine is on, or the key is turned in the aux position, the shade will only go to right there. If I click this off, I can bring the shade all the way down. Okay, so that's kind of a nice little safety feature there for you. They do limit it as far as where it can go and how far it can come down when you have the key on. So keeping you safe, but also giving you a little bit shade if you need it too. You do have a generator start here and in multiple spots throughout the coach. One in your power system setup there, and then one back in the bedroom as well. So here on the exterior of the 33C Vacationer, we're gonna go over a couple things. We're gonna go over a little bit of construction. We're gonna go over the paint that Holiday Rambler uses on their Vacationers as well. And then we're gonna go over the storage compartments too and what they all contain. So let's start right here on this side of the coach with your patio space. We're gonna have a nice legless power awning. So that's gonna be nice for a couple different reasons. One, you're not gonna have to worry about bumping your head on those arms anymore. But it's gonna be fully powered for you too. I have a tree right here, so I can't put it all the way out for you. But you're gonna have an LED light strip that's gonna be on the inside of the awning. So it's gonna come back down on you, so you can have some nice lighting at night. And then we're gonna have a nice outside entertainment center here too, with a radio and your TV and some outside speakers, so you can play your favorite music. You can hook up your phone to that as well if you'd like, so you can play it through your phone, or you can just listen to the radio too, and it does have a CD player in there too. Our first storage compartment is going to contain a couple things. One, it's going to have storage below here, but above we're going to have our inverter. It's going to be a 2,000 watt inverter for you, and we're going to have an inverter disconnect here too. So if you're storing the coach and not using it, and you want to turn off the batteries and the inverter and stuff, you can do all that right here. One thing I like about Holiday Rambler's storage compartments is that they're clutter-free. They do a really good job of making sure everything is nice and tight and needy. So that way you can have maximum storage, so you can put some of those little niche things in there too. So moving here, we're gonna have one of our storage compartments with a full pass-through storage. Really nice job on the height that you have there, but very big. And then here we're gonna have the same thing, another storage compartment, just a little bit smaller, but still a nice big pass-through. We're gonna have our hot water tank there. Here we're gonna have our propane tank, very easy to access and get to when you need to refill it. And then here we're gonna have a storage compartment and some of our hydraulic fluid for our jacks and whatnot there too, so if you ever need to get that for any maintenance and for whatever reason, but that'll be a full pass-through for you there too. And then our back compartment will be our other one. You do have an extension of the ladder for the rear ladder right there. Going on to the back, we're gonna have our hitch here with your pre-wiring. That is gonna be a 5,000 pound towing capacity on this coach. Very easy to get to though. And this would be the other part of that ladder for you. The extension you saw there in the passenger storage. I wanna talk about the paint that Holiday Rambler uses here real quick. It's a Sickens brand paint. If you're someone who's familiar with paints, you might know that name. If you're not, it's the same paint that they use on Mercedes-Benz cars and whatnot, so you know it's a very high-end, very reliable paint. Very beautiful though, and very, very nice job that Holiday Rambler does on that. Moving on to the backside here, we are gonna have our power source right here. You do have a little slot down there where you can actually untwist it and run the cord through there, so you don't have to have this door open. And then we're gonna have our generator right here. 5,500 watt generator, plenty enough to run your ACs and everything else that you're gonna run in the coach. And then we're gonna have our convenience bay set up here too. where we have our water filter, and then your sandy flush, and then your filling for your tanks, whether you're gonna be filling up your tank or if you're gonna be using the city water, and then your drains here as well, all right here. So very easy to access and very easy to get to. And then we're gonna have another little storage spot here. I'll close this so you can see it a little bit better. Like I said, they do a good job of giving you those little niche storage spots. So it's not a huge space, perfect for a sewer hose, some cleaning supplies, whatever you would like to put in there. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the Holiday Rambler Vacationer 33C. Again, my name is Parker. If you have any questions about the motorhome, our dealership, or how we take care of you, please feel free to stop on in and ask for me or give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. If you currently own a motorhome, trailer, or even a fifth wheel or a pop-up, please feel free to give us a call and see what it's worth on trade. We'd love to see what we can do for you, as we need used units right now. If you found this video helpful, please go to our Facebook page, like the video, and leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, and like the video there as well. Thanks, guys.